Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you want to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones quickly, this video is for you. Learn how to complete the Gnolkee Wi-Fi Extender WPS setup in just a few simple steps. I'll also share useful tips to ensure a successful connection and better wireless performance throughout your home. Whether you're installing it for the first time or reconnecting it after a reset, this guide has everything you need. We'll also cover the most common setup problems and their solutions to ensure a smooth installation. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Gnolkee Wi-Fi Extender into a wall outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Press the power button if your model has one. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid. Do not plug the extender too far away from the router during the initial setup. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. It is usually found on the back, on the side, or occasionally on the front panel. Press the WPS button on the router once. The WPS LED starts blinking. The router now waits for another WPS device to connect. You usually have 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Gnolkee Extender. The WPS or signal LED begins blinking. The extender starts communicating with the router automatically. Do not unplug or move either device during this process. The connection process usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. When successful, the WPS LED becomes solid. The signal LED lights up. The Wi-Fi LED remains steady. The extender has copied your router's Wi-Fi settings. Some models may restart automatically after pairing. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.